Hello and thanks for joining us for another Shaz Travels video. Today we're going to show you around the surprisingly vibrant coastal town of Ao Nang. In the southern Thailand province of Krabi, and not far from Krabi town, is the tourist town of Ao Nang. The gateway to some amazing beaches, tropical islands, and there are breathtaking tours right on your doorstep. The town lays right alongside the beach on the Andaman Sea. The main street has a shopping and restaurant strip that gives you some great options for places to eat and to satisfy your retail needs.
When you make your way around the headland, you come out to the Phra side of town, where there's another beach, some quality resort accommodation, and a really cool market, which will take you for a look around soon, so stick around. First, we'll show you how to get here. We flew into Krabi Airport, which is about a 45-minute drive to Ao Nang. We booked our ride before we left home through the 1-2-Go app, and it cost about 730 baht. But you can also get a ferry in from Phuket or Phi Phi Island to the Phra port.
These are the ferries that come across from Phuket and from Phi Phi Island. I think you can get one down to Koh Lanta as well. There's heaps of accommodation choices in Ao Nang. We stayed at the Blues Hotel Smart and we're really happy with it. We were right next door to the impressive Ao Nang Limestone Mountain. We love a rooftop pool, and this place had 2 of them.
Getting around can be done in many ways. You can hire a van and a driver for your day trips, or grab a taxi or a tuk-tuk or even a tricycle. But we like to hire a motorbike.
Alright, well, we've just picked up our motorbikes and we're all set. We've got our own motor transport now so we can get around wherever we want. And now we're going to hit the road.
We are. See you on the road. There are some great options for places to eat. We found a couple of outstanding beachfront restaurants. Delicious. Railay. Railay makmak. The one place you don't want to miss out on while you're here is the impressive Ao Nang landmark night markets. The food choices are huge. Grilled chicken, sticky rice, spicy grilled pork, and then we go get some fried rice. I come with rice.
We got here in time because it either looks like they're going to start the fire show or they finish the fire show out the front. So let's go have a look.
Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the subscribe button.
It really helps out our channel.
Oh, that was fun on what I thought was going to be an eventless night. And then we just ended up wandering around and boom, there we go. The fire people. It's amazing. All the way. The kids' carousel is doing jingle bells in April.
But if you're after a bit of adult time, then there's plenty of bars to drop into for a drink.
Hey, Chokika.
Yummy.
Yummy, alright.
What'd you get?
Oh, alright.
The attractions in the area are genuinely beautiful, like the gorgeous Emerald Pool.
Okay, maybe now. They can.
Then it's just a short walk to the alluring blue pool.
Okay, we made it here to the blue pool. Let's go check it out.
The invigorating Krabi hot stream is also a great place to visit.
We love taking the longtail boat out for the day on the magnificent 4 Islands tour. Just a short 15-minute longtail boat ride from Ao Nang and 100 baht each gets you to Railay Beach, another place not to be missed.
มาเที่ยวที่ไร่เลเกาะไร่เลค่ะ Beautiful สวยๆค่ะ
And don't forget, just out of town, you can have an awesome day kayaking at Khlong route.
Okay.
You You can watch all of these day trips in more detail in our other YouTube videos at Rob Shaz Travels. They will be linked in the description below.
Hello.
So as the sun sets on our time in Ao Nang, we'd love you to know that Ao Nang is one place that should be on your list to visit, because we will definitely be back. Thanks again for watching our Rob Shaz travel adventures. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos.